नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है समकित बांठिया एंड आई एम अ को-फाउंडर एट एड्यूश्योर। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी वर्सेस डीएससी वर्सेस सीयूसीईटी। ये कंफ्यूजन काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स में है कि सर ये डीएससी का एप्लीकेशन एंड डीयू का एप्लीकेशन इज इट द सेम? आंसर यस। दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में एमए इन इकोनॉमिक्स खाली एक जगह में है, वो है डीएससी, और उसका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म का लिंक ये वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा एंड आप इसको स्क्रीन में आपके सामने देख सकते हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, लाइक आपके फोटोग्राफ का साइज, आपके सिग्नेचर का साइज, आधार कार्ड का साइज। एलिजिबिलिटी भी हमारे वेबसाइट पे दी हुई है, तो ये जो वेबसाइट है ये आपको एलिजिबिलिटी रिक्वायरमेंट भी दे देता है, जहां पर एक्चुअली लिखा हुआ है कि एटलीस्ट 60% इन एनी अंडर ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स। तो बी इट बीबीए और अ बीकॉम और अ बीटेक, बीए इन इकोनॉमिक्स, चाहे आपका जो भी बैकग्राउंड हो, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर एमए इन इकोनॉमिक्स एट द डीएससी लेवल which is equal to Delhi University. स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ये लिंक भी ये वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है एंड हम लोग एक और वीडियो आपको देंगे जहां पर डिटेल में वील बी शोइंग यू हाउ टू फिल अप दी एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फॉर DU पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट एडमिशंस. Okay, I hope this has cleared the air about DU versus DSC. अब CUCET में आते हैं. CUCET, the full form is Central University Common Entrance Test. CUCET happens at the undergraduate and the post graduate levels. UG level में DU is a participant in CUCET. DU का अलग से entrance नहीं होगा from 2022 for UG examinations. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट एग्जामिनेशंस में DU का अलग रहता है एग्जाम, CUCET में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहा है. CUCET में पार्टिसिपेटिंग यूनिवर्सिटीज आर जम्मू, पंजाब, पौंडीचेरी एंड सो मेनी मोर. वो आपको CUCET के वेबसाइट से मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो आई होप दैट आई हैव क्लियर्ड द एयर बिटवीन CUCET क्या है सर, DU DSC CUCET के थ्रू है या DSC CUCET के थ्रू है, DSC DU सेपरेटली हमें अप्लाई करना है, नहीं करना है. एक फॉर्म है, ये है फॉर्म, ये है लिंक. ये वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, एज आई सेड अर्लियर. खाली ये लिंक को आपको फॉलो करना है और आपको अप्लाई करना है. आई विश ईच ऑफ यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर DU DSC एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. बाय बाय एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
How to fill the Delhi University postgraduate admission form. So for a first time user, you have to click on new user registration. Over here, in case you want to see what all details will be required from you, you can click on registration help. So they will take you through every field and explain everything that you need to fill. And you can see all the information that is required from you. But in any case, we're going to take you through all the steps. So first you have to provide them with an email ID. And then a password. And then you have to enter your mobile number. Remember not to add a 0 or a 91, just simply the mobile number. After that, you go in and start filling your personal details. So your name. Your name has to be according to your mark sheet. So in case your mark sheet has a middle name, so please remember to enter that. And then your last name as per your mark sheet. Your date of birth. Category, if you fall under any of the reservation categories, please select that, and in case not, unreserved, which is the general category. Your gender, nationality, which state you belong to. State of domicile is basically a state in which you have been living for around 10 years. And if you fall under any of the special categories, or if you are a minority, if you have any physical disabilities, what university you have attended. Since for postgraduate students there is a 50% reservation for University of Delhi students. If you select, if you are pursuing your undergraduate or have an undergraduate degree from University of Delhi, you can select that. Or if you belong to any of the other universities, you can pick them. And in case your university is not listed, you can simply select other. And fill your university name, your father's name, mother's name, if you have a guardian, and your COVID vaccination certification. Once you have done that, so you certify that all the information is to your knowledge, click yes, and then you register. You would have received an OTP on your email. Enter the OTP and you submit. Once that is done, you have to log in again using the details that you have filled. The next stage of the application is uploading the relevant documents. So there are a few documents that are required. The first is a photograph. So the photograph has some limits. It has to be of size 50 kb and of the dimensions 100 pixels into 130 pixels. So this can very easily be done through simply googling how to resize images. You click on it, you select your width 100, 130, and the maximum file size. You select the image and then download it. The next is your signature, which has 140 pixels into 60 pixels. So again the same thing. Once that is done, you can upload them. Next is your ID proof, and the ID proof has to be self attested, which means that you have to sign. It has to have a sign and it cannot be a PDF document, it has to be an image. So select the ID proof that you will be uploading and you have to enter your ID proof number and you select the file. The photo ID has to be self-attested. The same goes for your 10th grade mark sheets. It has to be self-attested, which means that you have to have your signature on the document. And all of the only allowed file type is images. PDFs are not allowed. So, for example, I have my 12th mark sheet as a PDF, so I cannot upload it. I will have to select it as an image. The next thing that you fill is your address. If you have a passport, please select yes, but you don't have to provide your passport number unless you are applying as a foreign student. The next thing that you have to do is give a bank details in case at any point during the application process you want to withdraw your application. This is where they will be sending the refund. So fill in your proper bank details. And in case you need the hostel, select yes, and you have to tell them which state you are from. So if you're from Delhi, Delhi, otherwise other. And then you can click on upload. Once that is done, you can check all your personal information. Once you have verified your information, you can submit your profile. You confirm and you submit the employment details of your parents. Save your profile. Now you can go ahead with the rest of the application. You can check your eligibility for the course. For now, we're going to look at the MA Economics. So if you're going through the entrance, you need to have a graduate degree from any recognized Indian university with at least 60%. And if you're from merit, you need to have a BA honors in economics from Delhi University with at least 60%. You can click on apply. And fill in your education qualifications. So whatever stream you have taken, you can fill in accordingly. Fill in your graduation details in whichever field you have completed. If your result is awaited, click yes. If not, click no, and then you can fill in your results. Name of the last college you have attended. In case you have completed your post-graduation or any other examinations, you can fill these fields over here for the rest of your results. You have to select the program that you want to apply for, MA Economics, and if you are going for entrance-based or merit-based. So you select your entrance category. You have to give three center preferences. So pick 3 cities where you would like to give the exam. If you have a sports category, then select yes, otherwise select no. And then you have to declare that all the information that you have provided is correct. So you save the application. Once that is done, you have to fill your preference. Confirm that the information is correct. Preview all your details once again. And then you can make the fee payment. Once you make the fee payment, you click on submit and your application will be submitted. All the best.
Found the video useful and would like to share it with your friends, then click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.